In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unenroll from a Udemy course. Whether you're looking to declutter your virtual classroom or simply move past a course you've completed, this process is straightforward and can be done in just a few clicks. Let's dive right in and walk through it together. First, you'll need to navigate to your Udemy dashboard. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, locate the My Learning section on your dashboard. This is your personal hub on Udemy, where all your enrolled courses are neatly listed. It's designed to keep track of your progress and revisit any course materials whenever you need. Now, find the specific course you wish to unenroll from. Take a moment to make sure it's the correct one, as you wouldn't want to accidentally remove a course you're still working through or plan to revisit. Once you've confirmed which course you're ready to unenroll from, look for the ellipses, which are those three little dots generally found either beneath or beside the course title on your dashboard. Clicking on these ellipses will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Among these options, you should see one that says Archive this course. Selecting this effectively moves the course out of your active learning list. It's important to note that while this action archives the course, it does not technically unenroll you. However, archiving tidies up your active courses list, allowing for a more streamlined view of the courses you're currently focused on. Now, here's an important detail to remember. Archiving a course does not erase your progress or remove your access to it entirely. If you later decide to revisit the course for a refresher, or if you change your mind, you can always find it archived under the Archived category on your My Learning page. This means you're never permanently losing access until your enrollment period ends, provided it's a course with limited time access. And there you have it. You've now successfully removed a course from your active list while retaining the ability to go back to it whenever you feel the need. This method is a great way to keep your Udemy dashboard uncluttered and focus only on the courses you need at the moment. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you manage your Udemy courses more effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Until next time, take care and happy learning.